So let me guess, you want to show a lot of photos on your website, but you don't want to use those boring ass sliders that everybody else has. Well, in this case, we got you. Here's our latest component that we call Click Gallery, and here's how it works. So first, you click here for a components panel and you select the third one, Click Gallery, just right here, and as you see, the area appeared right here. So first we want to stretch this area full screen or wherever other size you want, but for the purpose of presentation we'll use full screen, and we'll hide the content panel for a second. So if I double click on the area, you see we're getting into a preview mode, and here I can click somewhere on an area and photos randomly appear on the screen. Looks cool, but if that's not enough, let's dig into settings. So settings first, we have here is an image size, and it can be as is, it can be custom or random. Let's pick random, and let's define the range to be, for example, from 400 pixels to 800 pixels, just like that. Now, when we try to click, you see they are within this range. Let's go next. So next setting right here is cursor, so you can change your cursor design to be custom if the system default is not artsy enough for you for whatever reason. You can upload your cursor right here, and you can upload both default and hover states of your cursor. And for the purpose of presentation, we'll use system because we're basic. And number 3 is position animation. That's the most meaty one. And here we have position. First, it's random, like my career choices. Number 2 is same, so they will appear in the same place. And number 3 is on click. Image will appear wherever you click. Also here you can show all of your photos on these settings if you're proud of them all, or you can just pick the last one and it will look like that. And the last setting here is your whole area can be active and clickable, or you can change it to be an image, and then only if you click on an image your photos will change. And one little thing, if you come back to the cursor settings and choose custom, now you'll see that you have both the default and hover options. Why? Because now instead of area, which is always hovered, hover will only appear when you hover on the image. How many times I said hover? You count and reply in comments, I guess. And the last one is content settings, so where all those beautiful photos are coming from. Here you can click content, which will toggle the content panel right here, and you can change your photos by pressing here, or you can add new photos and also updating them here. Be sure that your photo size is in green, which means it's not gonna break your website and not gonna slow down the whole internet. And other than that, you can add a link, and I think that's it. Everything else is up to you. Well, that's it for Click Gallery slider. Go and try it yourself. Bye.